Hello, scholars. We're back doing some more skip counting. Now we are going to skip count by fours. But last time, when we skip counted by fours, we stopped at 20. We were only focusing on getting to 20. So let's review. See if we can do it without the music. We skip count by four. We start with 4. Exactly. Let's go. 3, we're going to stop at 20. 2, we're counting by fours. 1, 0, go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Good. We are at 20. Now today we're going to go just a little bit farther. We're going to stop at 24. So if 5 groups of 4 give us 20, how many groups do we need of 4 to get to 24? So we know 5 groups of 4 give us 20. We count on till we get to 24. 24, right. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 groups of 4 give us 24, okay? 6 groups of 4 give us 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 6 groups of 4 give us 24. All right, let's try it with the song.
Okay, get down. Hands and feet should touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor. Let's count up to 20. We'll start with 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
And we're stopping with 20 first before we go to 24 because having 5 fingers up, 5 groups of 4 giving us 20 is a good point in our brain, right? It's easy for us to remember that. Whenever we work with tens, it's really easy for us to use tens to help us out. So let's keep going.
Okay, get down. Hands and feet should touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor. Let's count up to 40. We'll start with 4.
We're going to stop at 24. So let's go. 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28.
Ooh, yeah, he moves a little quick.
Touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor.
Do it again.
Let's count up to 40. We'll start with
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yeah, good job. Okay, so again, skip counting helps us get quicker. It's a great tool for both multiplication and division. All right, good job. We will continue working on this